Hello! In front of me I have ZTE Watch Live, and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 20-30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your device. Now let's continue with the reset. So first thing you will need to do is to wake up the screen on your watch or turn it on. If you need to turn on the watch, press and hold the side button until the watch turns on, and if you need to wake up the screen on it, simply press the side button, like this. After we wake up the screen or turn on the watch, we should see the watch face. Once you see the watch face, swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. On this panel, find the settings icon and tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, let's scroll down, find the option called the reset and tap on it, and then tap on the yes button to confirm and start the resetting process. And after a second or two, you should see the watch face again, and this means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.